Welcome to Hot and Sweet. Today, we are making the absolute ultimate street-style chana chaat. It's spicy, it's sour, it's incredibly healthy and simple. The ingredients are simple. Take chopped tomatoes and onions. Every great chaat starts with a perfect base. For this, we are using black chickpeas. You want to soak these overnight for at least 7 to 8 hours, and look how they expand. Next, we've got to boil them. Toss them into a pressure cooker. Add just enough water to cover them. And a generous pinch of salt. Let it go for about 4 to 5 whistles until they are tender but not mushy. Let's prepare the dressing. Heat just 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan. Add turmeric, red chili powder and cooled chickpeas. Add pinch of salt. Cook for 2 minutes. Add chaat masala to enhance the flavor. Time for the fun part. Assembly. Transfer your spiced chana into a large ball. First up, add finely chopped onions for sharp crunch, lemon juice. Next, juicy diced tomatoes, and some crunchy save to keep it refreshing. Grab a ball, or a traditional paper cone if you really want that street vibe, and pile it high. Garnish with a bit of crunchy save on top for that extra texture. It is spicy, perfectly tangy, and that crunch from the onions is absolutely spot on. You have to try this at home. Happy cooking! If you have tried this recipe, let me know in the comments.